up guys? So welcome to another day in my life. So I have a ton of stuff I have to do today. I have to clean up my closet. I'm also selling a bunch of my clothes on Poshmark, who I'm actually working with on today's video. I have to prepare for my internship because my first day is tomorrow, so I have a lot of just last minute things that I have to do. And I also am filming a video today. I am planning on getting a workout in, and I can't remember anything else off the top of my head, but I think that's all I'm trying to do. I'm also still trying to unpack everything and organize for the summer, so I have a big list of to-dos. I figured it'd be a good day to vlog. So the first thing that I'm gonna do today is figure out what I'm gonna be wearing for my first day of work. But I wanted to do like a mini haul of some of the items that I recently picked up, because I did go shopping for my internship clothes because I am in college. I don't own a lot of like businessy kind of clothes. So I went shopping, I got the cutest stuff. So I'm gonna do a little mini like try on haul. So I pretty much got one pair of shoes and then a giant bag of clothing. Does anyone else tie their hair up whenever they're trying to focus, or is it just me? Where's my hair tie? The first thing I got is this red top, and it is just a little flowy, sort of like a tank top almost. It's just a little bit longer and it's really cute. And I got these navy blue little kind of like cropped business pants. I love the fit of these. They're just like ankle length and very nice. The next thing I got is this dress, and it is a really cute, just super simple dress. It has little like ruffles on the side. I also got this blue short sleeve top that just has little white polka dots on it. It's a really light and just like nice material. The next item is this sort of cropped-ish navy blue shirt. It has a little bit of texture on it and it's just really pretty. Again, it's also really light. Then I also got this pair of khaki pants. They're the same style as the ones before. They have that like slim cropped little fit. I got these two white tops. The first one is just looks like this. It has little buttons on the front. And then the second one I'm obsessed with. It is this little tank top. It has all this like pretty detailing on the shirt itself. And then I did get one dress from TJ Maxx, and it's just this simple black kind of medium length one. I'm officially ready to start going through my closet. Basically, what I'm doing today is deciding the items that I want to sell versus the items that I want to donate. I'm trying to do this now just because since I've gotten home from college, I have been trying to minimize my space as much as possible. Obviously, I have my internship starting, so I just really want to get all of that stuff done today if I can. Today, I'm just going to be picking out some items that I'll be putting on my Poshmark to sell. So if you guys don't know what Poshmark is, it's just an app where you can sell and buy clothes. So I know for me, there's been times where I wanted like a pair of Lululemon leggings and they didn't have them in my like size or color online, and someone will be selling them on Poshmark for a lot cheaper than what they are retail priced. And they're just really brands for everyone. They have like Nike, Adidas, Free People, Urban. So I really feel like there's just a lot to choose from on that for sure. I've personally had a Poshmark for over a year, and I really think that it's just a great way to make money on the side. And just speaking from personal experience, there's a lot of clothes in my closet that I do not wear, and it just makes me feel better knowing that it's going to someone who actually is going to probably wear it and appreciate it versus just sitting in my closet. I will link my closet username down below, and I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the items that I'm picking to go on my Poshmark. So I have a giant box of some of the other items that I am listing, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the ones I have laid out. So I have this crop top, which I wore once for a college game day. I also have this skirt, which I also only wore one time, and it just fits really nicely, and the lacing detail is super cute. I have this skirt, which I've actually gotten a lot of use out of. It's just a white denim skirt. I'm selling this backpack, which still has the tags on it. I got a black North Face backpack right around the same time, and I just decided to use that. So I'm going to be posting this on there. This Lulu's dress is actually already on there, so check it out if you want. And then this Forever 21 sweater also still has the tags on it, but it's very soft. It sort of just feels like a fuzzy blanket, and it has these little bell sleeves. So some of the items that are going to be on my Poshmark, so if you guys want to check it out, I will link it down below. So I just made it to this outdoor mall kind of area, I guess you could call it. It's really pretty. There's lots of like trees and fountains, and it's a good place to run around. It's not really busy at this time, so I am here just to get a nice little cardio exercise, change of scenery, and should be good. Everyone, so I just finished my little run. It's a really beautiful day. It's like super breezy and just like beautiful. So unfortunately I have to go to the doctor's right now. I have a doctor's appointment. It's just a checkup on my little like stomach issue that I've told y'all in the past about. It's why I can't eat like greasy foods and spicy foods and stuff like that. It shouldn't last too long, probably like a half hour if I'm lucky, and then I'm going to probably film a video after that. So it's definitely a very busy day, but I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. I'm finally back from my extremely long morning. I realized I need to make lunch because if I don't eat lunch, I will not have enough energy to tackle the things I have to do this afternoon. My breakfast actually kept me full for a really long time. That has been one of my favorite breakfasts lately. I've really just been into cooking for myself a lot more lately and just cooking like food that is not gonna make me feel like lazy and tired and gross later, because lately just eating good food has made me have the best energy and just made me feel so good. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Today for lunch I'm making some grilled chicken, broccoli, and sweet potato. I have some grilled chicken left over from Taco Monday yesterday. Gavin came over and we had a little goodbye party, I guess, because he is currently in Belize for a few weeks for study abroad, which is really sad and I miss him a lot. But going to make some lunch now, so let's get cooking. Okay, so here are the sweet potatoes. I put a little bit of salt and pepper on them, and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil as well, just so they get a little bit crispy. And if you're wondering, I'm making 2 sweet potatoes chopped up so that I have enough to meal prep for the rest of my work week, because I'm gonna have this as a side in my lunch. Also adding some Italian seasonings. I really like this on potatoes. I think it makes them taste really good. It's basically just herbs. And then I'm doing a little bit of garlic powder as well. And you can make this recipe sweet if you wanted to do like cinnamon on it. Also, I'm gonna quickly cook up these broccolis just on the stove. Again, I'm making a little bit extra just so I can pack it in my lunch for work, but yeah, really simple. Okay, so I finished cooking my delicious lunch, and these potatoes, let me tell you guys, they turned out perfectly. They're just like slightly crisped on the edges, and I love the seasoning. This again is just leftover chicken from the tacos that we made yesterday, and then this broccoli just has like salt, pepper. It's a quick saute on the pan. So gonna eat this now. Important meal of the day. Maybe not the most important, but the second most important. So gonna eat it now. I was just gone for the last 30 minutes because I was filming a try on summer haul. This is one of the items in the haul, and so are all of these. The haul is up by the time you're watching this video, so I will link it down below. If you haven't seen it, you need to check it out because the clothes are absolutely beautiful. So yeah, it will be in the description box below. And now the haul's done. So I just finished filming the entire try-on portion for the haul that I filmed today. And again, I hope you guys check out this video because I just, you know, am sweating after filming all of those try-on clips. So please watch it if you haven't already. Hi guys, so I'm in this outfit. I forgot my belt. I have no idea where it is. So the skirt is like a little bit too big on me, so it kind of looks funny. But I have a belt, like a brown belt that would match this shirt really well. But this is my little outfit of the night for dinner. I'm actually just running to go over to this juice place. I don't know why I'm wearing sunglasses, oh my god. So weird. This juice place, it's called 38 Juicery. And I'm gonna get an acai bowl because I've never been there and it looks really yummy. I'm just wearing this shirt that it was in my haul. I'm wearing this skirt, and then I also am wearing this purse that was also for my haul. I really think that my favorite thing about summer is the fact that it is literally light outside until 8:30. I don't even know what time it is right now. I've been filming all afternoon. yeah, it's like 5, but I eat dinner really early and I have to go to bed early tonight because I have work at 8:30 in the morning. So I'm just kind of enjoying my little last day of summer break until I'm just working until I go back to school. But yeah, I feel like this vlog was like very crazy. I literally feel like I did so much, and I don't want you guys to think that I do so much every single day of my life. I feel like I genuinely try to be pretty productive with my day and just sort of like seize the day and do as much as I can. But I obviously have days where I relax too, so I don't want you guys to think that I don't do that. I have been relaxing a little bit the past few days, as I said, but yeah, today's kind of been very insane and very busy, but I'm really happy with how much I've accomplished. I'm so excited because now I can go to work tomorrow and just feel like on top of everything. I think that I'm going to start a little like summer vlog series similar to this. Some days I'm gonna show like my internship, probably not like in the work building, but like maybe like at lunch and snack time. I'm in 2nd grade, but yeah, stuff like that. I'll probably show like my food, my outfit, what I do before and after work. And then I'm also gonna have some summer vlogs kind of like today where I just kind of bring you along through my day, just friends, Gav, when he comes back. The good news is Gavin actually has service in Belize, and I didn't think he was gonna have service. So he's been texting me. Let me show you guys a little update. This is a picture of the burrito he had. As you can see, it's bigger than the entire plate. If you guys are wondering what he's doing there, he is a environmental science and econ major, finishing up his environmental science bachelor's degree right now, and then he has 1 year of like essentially grad school because he's getting his master's in econ and his bachelor's in econ, if that makes sense. He has like a double major situation. So right now he's getting his last 2 credits for environmental science. He's going to be studying fish, I guess, in the ocean. I'm not really actually sure, that science is not my strong point, but yeah, little update for right now. I'm literally so excited, just like back in my car, going to drive. This is the first time I've driven my car since I've been home, so we're gonna go and get some good freaking dinner. Made it to the juice place. I'm gonna go get an acai bowl for dinner. So I just got back from dinner, and good news, my history teacher just posted the last grade, or my final grade that I was waiting for, because today is the deadline that the teachers all have to submit their grades by. So I ended up getting an A in that class, which I'm really happy about because I knew there was a chance of me getting an A- depending on how I did on the final. So I don't know how I did on the final because she doesn't post like those grades frequently. She just does like a final grade, but I'm assuming I did well enough to get an A in the class. So I'm really happy. That means my GPA this semester ended up being a 4.25, I believe, 4.25. And I'm really happy about that because I have a cushion kind of going into this summer with my online classes. I actually am kind of confused because I don't actually know if my online classes make a difference in my UA GPA. I'm pretty sure they don't factor into that, but they might factor into my overall. I'm not really sure the difference between those because it's kind of confusing the way it works, but I mean, I'm worried definitely because I'm taking finance and marketing this summer, if you guys are wondering what classes I'm taking, and those start up in a few weeks. So I have a little bit of time to get acquainted to my internship and kind of, you know, have a little bit of a break, sort of, maybe, I don't really know. I've honestly just sat here and I had a really crazy day today, and I was just thinking back about that and I was like, that is really crazy and I need to rest. So normally I work Monday, Wednesday, Friday, which means that I have Tuesdays and Thursdays off to rest. So I really never have to work 2 days in a row, which is the beauty of the internship that I have and why I'm so happy. And that's a really big factor to me just because I wanted that balance in my schedule. This week I have 3 days of training back to back. So I work Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. So I know that I won't get my next break until this weekend, which is fine. I'm honestly really excited for my internship. I have no idea what to expect. I'm gonna probably start a new vlog tomorrow. It might not be as long just because I'm gonna be working the majority of the day. But as I'm sitting here now, like, I'm getting kind of nervous just because I don't know what to expect, and it's like that first day jitters that I get those before I go to school and everything. But I'm a little nervous, but I'm really excited. I have my outfit all picked out, so you guys will see that in the next video. and I've meal prepped my lunch already, and I know what I'm making for breakfast, so it should be good. I'm a little nervous, but I will, I guess I'll update you guys tomorrow in the vlog. Yeah, wish me luck. I'm kind of nervous because I hope that I can do everything that like is expected of me and that I have good ideas and stuff. So yeah, that is sort of the little update of the night. It's currently like 8 o'clock. I'm going to take a shower and then probably watch some HGTV with my mom and then go to sleep kind of early because I'm waking up probably around 6:30 tomorrow. I'm just going to go ahead and end off the vlog here and get some good sleep. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks to Poshmark for working with me on today's video. Again, you guys should definitely make your own Poshmark closet by clicking the link down below, and we can follow each other and sell our clothes, and it'll be great. So thank you guys so much again, and very exciting vlogs to come because I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow and it should be pretty crazy. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.